Beer is perhaps one of the most undisputed ways of celebrating success or loss, pain or gain. Regardless of what the event is, a good glass of beer is always here for you. Heineken, are you aware of this name? Well, of course, I mean, who isn't? Beer is definite to know about this one, but want to know the history and interesting facts behind its development and evolution as one of the most prominent beer companies. Let's dive deeper. An internationally renowned and immensely celebrated beer company, Heineken, has worked hard over the years to establish itself as a key player in the brewing industry. Its historical progression and even its inception hold crucial factors which reflect the ideals of the ownership and business patterns that are exceptionally crafted to achieve these heights of success. The product range of Heineken is extensive and offers its customers the most finely crafted beverages. Their product range includes flagship beer, Heineken Lager, which is renowned for its distinct flavor profile. Besides this, Heineken produces a diverse range of products that caters to the needs of the customers in a way that almost seems individual. Consumer preferences are quite important for this company, as its very iconic Heineken Lager, the pale lager crafted with a special crisp taste and characteristic golden hue, is immensely enjoyed by beer lovers all across the globe. Not only this flagship beer is the trademark of Heineken, but it tends to offer a plethora of beverages for every particular preference and taste. If a customer is looking for an option lighter yet refreshing, for which they have Heineken 0.0 for an absolutely non-alcoholic experience while maintaining the same taste and quality standards. This product line managed to gain quite amazing popularity among people who always wanted to have a healthy experience with beer, but without alcohol. Further extension of the product line has diversified the consumer base as well, because it includes Sol, which is a Mexican-style lager famous for its citrusy notes and smooth flavors, Amstel, another fruity and flavorful lager. Furthermore, Strongbow, Tiger, Dos Equis are international brands that are crafted with the essence of cultural heritage and ultra-unique characteristics. Heineken's commitment to excellence, innovation, and quality gives it the consistency and courage to explore new techniques, take risks with flavors, and try fancy packaging to keep the consumer's trust and faith intact in their ability to stay cognizant of their needs and serve them properly. Speaking of Heineken's market capitalization, the company has garnered quite a significant market cap of worth $60.15 billion. With this huge market cap, the firm stands world's 266th most valuable firm in the world as of June 2023. This market value has only seen escalation since its inception, and this consistent progress is what has made Heineken a brilliant example of successful business ventures. Regardless of the ups and downs in the past 2 decades, the company has managed to secure a valuable position, and its customer satisfaction is evidence of their market success. Currently, Heineken is a publicly traded business that is listed on several stock markets, including Euronext Amsterdam. Reportedly, both the private and institutional investors own the company's shares, and hence the ownership structure is quite diverse and complex. However, a larger chunk of the company is still owned by the Heineken family, which gives them the power and authority to participate in the decision-making, strategizing, and management processes. Heineken was just a little brewery in Amsterdam when it started off. It has grown progressively while expanding its business throughout the Netherlands. The business primarily began by exporting beer to multiple nations all across the globe by the late 19th century, which marked the beginning of its global prominence. However, this global expansion of Heineken's beer business only accelerated in the 20th century, which has marked the beginning of its success story. In countries, including the United Kingdom, Ireland, and the United States, the business strategically developed new production facilities while also acquiring existing breweries in those nations. These business strategies have allowed them to grow organically. With this growth, Heineken was able to expand into new markets and create a global footprint, which has set an example for all other companies. Let's lead you into their success story and the secret ingredients behind it. Guaranteeing unmatched efficiency and quality was the main goal of Heineken, for which they incorporated technical improvements in their production chain and ensured a unique process in terms of distribution operations. Branding and innovation have been tagline, which was understood in the sense of the term and made an integral part of the firm's motto. However, the advertising and marketing were done through significant investments in this domain so more people can become aware of the brand and the services being provided by them. Heineken is one of the biggest brewing corporations in the world today, operating in more than 190 nations. To preserve its competitive edge, the corporation keeps growing its product line, adapting to changing consumer preferences and pursuing new markets. Heineken is well positioned for future growth thanks to its dedication to innovation and sustainability. Let's have a look into the ownership patterns Heineken now. Believe us when we say that this company has one of the most complex ownership structures, which makes it extremely hard to recognize the exact owner. Why? Let's find out. Heineken Holding N.V., an independent organization from the publicly traded business Heineken N.V., serves as the main entity for the Heineken family's ownership. The Heineken family's interests in Heineken N.V. are effectively held by Heineken Holding N.V. Heineken's founder, Gerard Adrian Heineken, laid the foundation for the family's ownership and management of the business. The Heineken family at the time possessed roughly 50.01% of the voting rights in Heineken Holding N.V., giving them enormous control over the course and decision-making of the company, even though particular ownership numbers have changed since 2021. Currently, the ownership structure of Heineken Holding N.V., AMSA, EIO, must be understood in order to determine who is actually in charge of the company. With 53% ownership, it is clear that private corporations hold the majority of the company. In other words, the group has the greatest chance of experiencing positive or negative outcomes. Institutions, on the other hand, own a 23% stake in the business. It is anticipated by the insiders to possess a sizable portion of the smaller companies, while institutions will frequently hold stock in larger ones. This is the most exclusive information extracted from multiple credible sources, but confusing, isn't it? This is everything you need to know about Heineken and its beer world.